to everyone. I am Ronak. Today we are playing a role play and the character are Anshu and Anshit and me. The topic is one student is not studying and we will do discussion with teacher and the parents. So the first thing is discussion between teacher and the student.
Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to distribute your English papers. Here yours, here yours. Everyone scored well except Anshit. Anshit, come here.
Yes, sir. What happened?
What is this?
Sorry, sir.
Why are you laughing? Am I cracking a joke?
No, sir.
See
Sir,
this
I will.
paper.
Sir, give me one chance. I will do better.
What one chance?
Sorry, sir.
You always do this. Just call your parents tomorrow. No one chance.
Sir, please give me one more chance.
I said no chance.
Okay, sir.
Don't.
Go.
The second scene is between Anshit and Ronak, between parent and student.
Go.
Anshit, your face is so upset today. What is happening?
Loud बोलो रोना.
Sir, I have no marks in my test paper. Dad, I have no marks in my test paper.
Why? How much? Can you show your test paper?
Yes, Dad. Take it.
You have brought 80 out of 2. Are you mad?
Sorry, Dad. I don't know what to study.
What is study? What are you telling? Are you mad or what?
No, Dad. I am not a mad, but
This
in
is the half yearly. You have studied 6 months and given the test. And I am investing so much money on you and you are showing me this 80 out of 2.
Dad, I learn anything in my mind. I forget it. What can I do?
So you have any mental problem? So we can go for a doctor?
No, Dad. I won't go to doctor.
Why? You are telling the both points only. You will not. You have any mental problem and you are telling I will not go for a doctor.
I won't be go to the doctor.
Why?
I
Reason.
don't know. I forget anything in paper exam.
So your
question
brain-
answers and
So your brain is weak, I think.
maybe.
So you know Sharma's son, he brought 80 out of 79.
Why are you comparing me Sharma's son?
So why? He's in government school and he brought 79 in English paper.
I forget anything.
Everything.
In paper.
So why are you repeating the point?
I don't know what can I do.
So what you will do in your career?
I like sports, not a study.
You are mad or what? You are fully mad, I think.
No, Dad.
I think are you fully out of mind and you are crazy. I will talk to your teacher finally.
No, Dad. Please give me one more chance.
What is
I will
chance?
do better.
6 months, you have studied 6 months and you are brought in 2.
Sorry, Dad.
So
Give me one
I will talk to your teacher. Don't waste my time.
Okay, Dad. So the third part is between the teacher and student.
May I come in, sir?
Come in, come in,
May I come in, sir?
come in.
Good morning, Mr. Ravi. Meet your
Good morning, Mr. Rahul.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So, what is happening with my ward? He's brought in 80
Loud bol.
out of 2.
Yes, sir. That's why I called you.
You have seen his paper?
Yes, sir. I know.
Thousands of mistakes.
Yes, sir. There are so many mistakes.
Anshu,
Even
loud
the-
bol.
Even the spellings are wrong.
Yes, and he have brought only 2 marks.
Yes, sir. This is
With
private.
cheating. I think he has done cheating.
Arnav, have you done cheating?
No, sir.
Because he don't know the paper only.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I forget
as
that.
you know, this is private school. The teachers are the best, and this school is ranked the first in India.
That's why I took the admission on this school.
Yes, sir. Our teachers are the best. Sir, I don't know what he is doing at the home or in school.
And he's telling that I have one problem that I forgot everything after 30 minutes or 5 minutes. I'm
Sir.
telling, can we go for a doctor? And he's telling we will not go for a doctor.
Is
Both
it
the
so?
Both the point
Yes,
is telling
yes,
me.
sir. I forget anything in
Everything.
paper. Everything in paper.
So we have to go like a doctor. We have to suggest a doctor only. And he's telling no.
Loud
Sir, I
बोलो.
don't know.
Loud.
Arnav,
Yes,
Why
sir.
don't you told me this problem earlier before the exams? Why are you telling this now?
Sir, sir, I scared you.
What
Scared of
scared
you.
you?
Sir, are you so dangerous teacher in school?
I am pissed off him. What I will do?
Sir, every student is not same. Arnav is little bit different. He likes sports.
So you are telling like sports career. You know in sports career some people success, not he will. I think
know,
that.
sir, many people doesn't succeed in sports, and in India they doesn't. But sir, if he likes sports, he can do it.
No sir, I think he will not do it.
I met PT sir yesterday. He was saying that Arnav is very good in sports.
Football.
And what of the studies of him? I think he will become a sportsman and he will go on in a sports career. When the breaking news they will come and they will take the interview. We will talk in Hindi or English language.
Sir, but that's not the problem. He also need to learn English as well as sports. Sir, but if he like to do sports, so he can.
I think that I will shift him in government school. This suggestion is good.
Sir,
I think
that's
that.
your wish, but as a teacher, I suggest you to shift him to sports.
Like I think you are sure of what he will do.
Hey Arnav,
Yes, sir.
don't think that if you will do sports, you will not study.
Sir, I will try with study.
You're trying since 5 years. Nothing happened.
Sir, I will actually, sir, I will try.
Ah,
Give me one more chance, sir.
Will you
Sir, he
promise?
is asking only chance. I think he is living in luxurious life. That's why his mind is over.
Sir, can you tell me his home routine?
First of all, he wake up in morning late before 10 minutes when the school time, and he freshen up and whatever.
That's why he doesn't come in proper uniform.
Yes,
Arnav, being disciplined.
and
Okay,
he
sir.
play games at night, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. I think I will broke his phone.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock?
Yes,
He is just in 6. Why you gave him phone?
he was telling that I will take online class and I will score good marks. That's why I will phone.
Sir, you just
I
take
seen
his-
yesterday night.
So, sir, you just take his phone.
Like he was telling that I am going for the English syllabus study and he was playing game.
Sir, do you have TV?
Yes.
Sir, you should start some online course for him in the TV. So that you
So I was thinking that finally I will shift him a boarding school with sports career. If he will do in 1 year better, then I will think that he will do.
Good one.
So that I will thinking I will give him only 1 year. If he will do, so good. Then if he will not do, I will he will back to and he will sit.
So that's good. It depends on you and Arnav what he will do and what he will show to you. But Arnav, I hope you do well in sports and
Don't let your parent down.
and you let your parents
Down.
come to me again.
Yes, sir, I will do. I will do sports career. I like sports.
So you have only 1 year.
Yes.
Do it.
Yes.
Okay, chal.